Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now we have Ectopia lentis. Okay, Ectopia lentis. In Ectopia lentis, we have simple Ectopia lentis. We have simple Ectopia lentis. This simple Ectopia lentis is actually shows a symmetrical and upward lens are seen in Ectopia lentis. There is symmetrical and upward lens. Then we have something called as ectopia lentis et pupillae. So whenever there is ectopia lentis, the pupil, if you see, the pupil is displaced opposite to the side of the lens. So that is called as ectopia lentis et pupillae.
thank you and thank you for watching.